रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी। बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फलचारी। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवारि सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मूंज जनेहु साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतहि सब भाई। सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा। जब कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपत दीन्हा। तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मैली मुख माहि जलधि लागी गए अचरज नाहि। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज सवारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग पर ताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हरे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हरे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरहि, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करहि। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंधि महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्ध साकी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजय नाथ हृदय बहडेरा। कीजय नाथ हृदय बहडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूरति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसो सुर भूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो रे भाई सब संतन की जय। हनुमान जी जैसी भक्ति हम सबको मिले। When we take the name of Sri Ram, the first thought that comes to our mind is Hanuman, right? And when we say Hanuman, the first thought that comes to our mind is Sri Ram. मेरे साथ अक्सर होता है, when I am doing Bhagavad or Gita, my throat does not choke. But when it comes to talking about Sri Hanuman, there is a different kind of a feeling. Maybe because he is so humble that he says, why are you glorifying me? My objective is not for me to be glorified. You have to glorify Sri Ram और भगवान। मैं तो केवल उनका सेवक हूं, तू बैठ के मेरे बारे में क्यों बात कर रही है? But he does not understand that he is an example and we can learn so much from him. So with his permission, we will go ahead and we will seek his blessings. As he blesses us in Bhagavad and Gita, may he bless us with the same vigor to take his name also. Because it is not him we are glorifying. We are glorifying bhakti. And we are glorifying the power of devotion. Because when there is the power of devotion, it is not the power of individuals, it is the power of this God that the devotee worships is being talked about and glorified. And Sri Hanuman, so humble, so down to earth. He reached Lanka. He did what he had to do. He met Ma Sita. And after he met Ma Sita, he said, Ma, he convinced her that it is he who is Ram Doot Hanuman. And he reminded her, मैं राम दूत हनुमान हूं और तू माँ जानकी है. Don't forget who you are. And I remember who I am. I am not Hanuman. I am Ram Doot Hanuman. The biggest problem that happens is, in the process of glorifying the Lord, the glories of the Lord are forgotten. And the glories of the one who is glorifying is being glorified. And that is what we see happening all around the world. महिमा किसकी गा रहे थे और महिमा उनके भक्त किसकी गाने लग जाते हैं. What a terrible mess. And if that happens, it is the biggest blunder on the part of the orator, a narrator, or a kathavachak. Because the objective is not for him to connect that other soul to himself, but the objective is to connect that soul to him, the divine. And that is what Sri Hanuman ji does. Everywhere he reminds that I am Ramdut Hanuman and Matu Janaki. And he says, Satya Shapat Karuna Nidhan ki. I swear upon that Lord only. I am his devotee, I am his doot, and you are Ma Janaki. How can you forget your own existence, Ma? In a way, he is reminding us the relationship that we share with the Lord. वो परमात्मा, हम जीवात्मा. और द्वैत में अगर बात करें तो नहीं, तो जो वो है वो मैं हूं. और वो माँ जानकी को बोल रहे, माँ तुम कमजोर कैसे हो गई? उनमें तो आप ही का बल है ना, और आप में उनका बल है. So a reminder to all of us of our own existence as to where we have come from. And we forget the cause of all our agony, all our sorrow, all the weakness and all the doubts that we face is our forgetfulness of our true nature. And that is what he starts with when he meets माँ, कि मैं तो उनका दात हूं और तुम माँ जानकी हो, मत भूलो. Don't forget who you are. You are that Satchit Anand Swaroop. You are that divine. You are blessed. You are not weak. You are strong. Don't forget that. And with this, a beautiful dialogue follows, and we have done that. And finally, he tells Ma that I am hungry, right? That is where it all starts. And she said, you are hungry? Yes, Ma, I can see in Ashok Vatika there are so many fruits and I want to go and eat them. And like any mother would say, no. You are so small, you are so tiny. Do you even know the size of the demons that are guarding that Ashok Vatika? क्या भयंकर असुर है, तुम्हें पता भी है हनुमान? नहीं, वहां नहीं जाना है. अरे हनुमान बोलते, माँ मुझे उनका डर नहीं है, मुझे किसी असुर का डर नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे साथ में श्री राम है. एंड फिर भी just for your comfort and just for your peace of mind, I will show you who I am. And at that time, he enlarges himself beyond what we can even imagine. कहते हैं ना, and then he roars. His roar is deafening. And एकदम वज्र का शरीर. And Ma Sita is taken aback. She's like, Ma, ये हूं मैं. He had come with a tiny form, right, to meet Ma Sita. छोटा सा फॉर्म लेके आए थे. जहां आपको अपना बल दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वहां आपको अपना बल क्यों दिखाना है? There is a very beautiful saying that goes, where there is no need to show your strength, don't show it. Let people think that you can't afford the bread till they find out you own the bakery. It's a very big message that Hanumanji gives us. Let people think that you can't even afford a bread till people find out that you own that entire bakery. Be humble, be humble. Jhuko. Namo. हनुमान, अपने मान का हनन कर दो. और जो अपने मान का हनन कर देता है, वो ही प्रभु को प्राप्त कर सकता है. And when we are sitting, we have to remember this. We have to put our ego, all our previous knowledge, everything that we are carrying, and every baggage that we have, because we all believe, right? We know. Don't sit with that thing that I know. Till you empty yourself, till you believe that you don't know, you will not understand Sundarkand. Sundarkand, the beauty of Sundarkand is, Sita is very sundar. Lanka, अति सुंदर. हनुमान जी बहुत सुंदर. और तो और इसमें रावण कितने सुंदर है. The beauty of Ravan, so सुंदर. इतने आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं रावण को कैसे सुंदर बोल रही हूं? सुंदर ही है वो. हमसे तो कई गुना सुंदर है रावण, कई गुना सुंदर. The humility with which He has guarded Ma. The dialogues with which he talks to her are loaded. We have said, right, when he is bringing Mandodari to meet Ma, bringing all his queens to meet Ma Sita, he did not go alone. He is telling her, मेरा तो काम हो जाएगा माँ, थोड़े समय में राम आएंगे, मेरा उद्धार कर देंगे, आप इन सबको संभाल लेना. Right? What happened when Surpankha came and she gave the description, Khar, Dushan, Trisara, सबको मार दिया. ये राम है. तो he asked, कैसे दिखते हैं वो, क्या बल है उनका? And when she was describing Shri Ram, Ravan was convinced in his heart, हो ना हो, ये वही परम ब्रह्म है जिनने मानव रूप लिया है. वो लीला कर रहे हैं, मेरा उद्धार करने आए. Who was Ravan? Ravan was nobody but one of the Ravan and Kumbhakaran were Jay and Vijaya, the gatekeepers of Sri Vishnu. And let's go back, yes. And when the Sanat Kumars, all the 4 children who don't look any greater than 5 years old, had come, they denied the entry, right? And Ma Lakshmi also felt that they are getting very egoistic. मुझे भी कई बार अंदर नहीं आने देते हैं. So she was waiting for the right moment. So when these Sanat Kumars came, they cursed. They said, we will curse you to become Asurs. And at that time, Sri Hari came out and he said, what has happened? Briefly, we'll go through that. And they said, we have been cursed. And what do we do now? Please save us. He said, Sant ne curse kara hai. Sant has cursed you. We cannot do anything about it. But because you are my devotees, because I really care about you, tell me, what do you want? Do you want 7 years? 7 births of being without any knowledge of me. Without any knowledge of me. Or, and probably you would love me, but you want 7 births. Or you want only 3 births. Where I will be remembered by you every minute. See, Ravan, Kumbhakaran, all these great Asurs, they always remember the Lord. Whether it is negative or positive, remembrance is remembrance. They remember the Lord with much more vigor than we remember the Lord. We have a lot of vigor when we are going through turbulent times. ना भगवान बहुत याद आते हैं जब बहुत आपत्ति होती है हमारे ऊपर. और जब अच्छा समय आता है तो भगवान मंदिर में शांति से आप विराजो, अभी आपकी जरूरत नहीं है. But Ravan was not like that. He would always take the name of Lord continuously. He did not forget. So they said, we want only 3 births. It does not matter even if we hate you, but we will remember you and we want to come back to you as soon as possible. We are willing to face everything. We are willing to face all the adversities. So this is a brief story. So when Ravan heard all these descriptions, he said, ho na ho, Parabrahm aa gaye. Right? He was very knowledgeable. Ravan was not ordinary. When Sri Hanumanji was taken, right? Indrajit Meghnad had tied him in Brahmastra. Hanumanji ko Brahmastra mein baandh diya. Right? Hanumanji ko koi baandh sakta hai kya? Can anybody bind Hanumanji? Can he be bound by anybody? But फिर भी Hanumanji ने बोला, don't worry, you bind me. I will go because I want to see that great Ravan. And when he reached the Sabha of this Ravan, what did he see? He saw all the Navgraha. Shani is something we get so worried about, right? Shani ki dasha. Haath jod ke, they were standing. They said planets were hanged ulta. All the devs from Indra to, name it, Ashwini Kumars, joined hands and standing in front of him at his beck and call. Not only this, I forgive me, Lord Shiv. It is said that Shivji would come on his own accord to Lanka and say, Acha theek hai, Ravan, you normally pray to me, I have come. Now instead of Ravan going to Shivji to pray to him, Shivji would come so that Ravan could pray to him. Kya dabdaba tha? All the Srishti, all the creation was in his control. Teeno lok. And the Sabha was grand. And Ravan was divine. And Hanumanji appreciated. When can appreciation happen? Now, how can Hanumanji appreciate Ravan? Ravan, dushman hai bhai. He has taken away Ma Sita from Ramji. Still, Ravan could appreciate. Hanumanji could appreciate Ravan because in spite of all that had happened, he knew this is a situation They always say, right? Hate the sin, not the sinner. जो है वो है. Wherever you have to appreciate, you have to appreciate. There was no hatred in his heart. What we do is we normally give rise to hatred in our heart. And that is when our vision becomes blur. We are unable to appreciate the positives. Even Ravan had positives in him. He had great positives in him. And Hanumanji, because there was no hatred in his heart, he had come to do his duty. He knew this is the situation. That does not make you, knowing the situation and acting against somebody does not necessarily mean that you have to hate that person also. And when hate comes, we get blind. Our judgment gets clouded. Never let hate take any room in your heart. And Hanumanji was hate-free. So he came. Okay, you want to bind? I also want to see Ravan. I want to see his sabha. And he's standing there. Just imagine. Tiny little monkey looking around. A monkey is a wrong thing to say because they say it is Vanar, the nar who used to live in the jungle. So he was a different kind of, he was not exactly a monkey. So just imagine this little Vanar looking around in awe. He's looking here, he's looking there, and when he looks at Ravan, he said, वाह वाह, क्या सारे देवता, सारे ग्रह, सारी सृष्टि इनके चरणों में, क्या है Ravan? He appreciated Ravan, glorified Ravan, but he did not fear Ravan. Two things to remember. He did not hate, nor did he fear. Because these two things are very bad for us. Simply put, hatred and fear. या तो हम नफरत करते हैं, या तो हम सिचुएशन से डरते हैं. वो निडर थे. Or there was no hatred also. So no clouded judgment. He is appreciating where appreciation is needed. And he sits. And then there is no fear also. Ekdam, he is standing there, fearless. Just like Garud stands amongst the serpents and the snakes. क्या गरुड़ किसी serpent या snake से डर सकता है? गरुड़ से तो कालिया नाग डर के भागा था. So he's standing like Garud in the midst of all the asuras, in front of that all-powerful Ravan, willing to glorify him, but not willing to bow down in front of him. It's a very thin balance. When we glorify, that does not mean that we have to bow down in front of anybody. Why? Because then we feel that we are not as glorious. But the tattva remains the same, right? The tattva that is glorifying him and the tattva that is glorifying me is the same in both. That Ishwar is in me also and that Ishwar is in him also. So why should I hate and why should I fear? So he's standing there and looking at Ravan. And Ravan, as soon as he looks at Hanumanji, he starts laughing loudly. He starts laughing very loudly because he is amused that this small little Vanar, I will use the word Vanar, excuse me, I won't say monkey or I won't say anything else because Vanar here. Hai na? So whenever we are referring to Hanumanji, either we'll say Hanumanji or we'll say Vanar. So this Vanar, he is the one who destroyed the Vatika. And he started laughing and rebuking. Very, very durvachan. कहते ना दुर्वाद. दु और वाद. दुर्वाद बोलने लगे. कपि ही बिलो की दसानन. This is 20th Doha. You can open your books if you have it. It will help us because we are going to go line by line, Doha by Doha. There is no hurry to complete the Sundarkand, right? So, कपि ही बिलो की दसानन. बिहासा कही दुर्वाद. सुतवत सुरति की निपुनी. Upaja hriday vishad. So he said, he looked at him and he started laughing. He said, this tiny little thing. And he started abusing him and laughing. And then suddenly he remembered, oh, this tiny little thing, this tiny little Vanar has killed my son. Right? And then he got angry. And when he got angry, he felt that Hanumanji is tight, right? He felt that Hanumanji is tiny. But over here, Shivji says, Shivji is talking now, this is a samvad. Ramayan, be it Gita or be it Bhagavad, all are conversations that are happening. This is a conversation between Shivji and Ma Parvati, right? And Ma Parvati has accepted one thing very clearly. And this is better if we also accept it before we enter the scripture. What? Ram ji Bhagwan hai. कोई doubt नहीं है. Why? कैसे उनका वो भ्रम दूर हुआ? हमारा भी हम भ्रम दूर कर लेते हैं. When she was there as Sati, right? And she was coming from the ashram, Bharadwaj Rishi के आश्रम से राम कथा सुन के आ रहे थे. If I'm not mistaken, it was Bharadwaj Rishi, or it was, I'll confirm the name, but from that Rishi's ashram, they were coming. And what the Rishi did is he gave an elevated position to sit, an elevated asan for Shivji and Parvati to sit. Now, Shivji did not get, this kind of a recognition or appreciation did not get to Shivji's head. He knew what the sage is, and he knew he wanted to listen to Hari Katha from this sage. He did not think that he was superior or the sage was inferior. But Ma Sati at that time started thinking, oh, I am superior. I have been given a higher platform. I know so much. ये मुझे क्या बताएंगे? Right? So कथा सुनी किसने? शिवजी ने. पार्वती जी ने कथा, सती जी ने कथा नहीं सुनी. Be very careful. शिवजी ने कथा सुनी, सती जी ने कथा नहीं सुनी. क्यों? उनको लगा कि ये क्या हमें कथा सुनाएंगे. राइट? हम तो भगवान है, हमारा स्थान तो ऊंचा है. और शिवजी भी किस किस को मान देने लग जाते हैं. शिवजी तो परब्रह्म है, खुद भगवान है. एंड सो शी वॉज इन दिस थॉट, बट शिवजी वॉज लिस्निंग. एंड वाइल दे वर गोइंग बैक, what did they see? They saw a Leela at that time. Ravan had already taken away Ma Sita, and Ramji is literally weeping and crying. Hey Lakshman, कहाँ गई मेरी सीता? अरे पंछी, तूने मेरी सीता को देखा क्या? अरे पत्ते, तूने मेरी सीता को देखा क्या? Looked at the flower. Did you see my Sita? Where is Sita? How will I live without her? He's weeping and whining and crying. And Shivji joined his hands from a distance. Oh, and he did pranam. माँ सती, किसको प्रणाम कर रहे हैं आप? अरे सती, वो परब्रह्म है, वो मेरे राम है. परब्रह्म राम, और ऐसे रो रहे हैं. सी, ऐसे कोई रो सकता है? अरे सती, शिवजी ने बोला डोंट गेट देयर. आई एम टेलिंग यू, लिसन टू मी. शी रिफ्यूज्ड. शी सेड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लिसन टू यू. सो शिवजी सेड ओके, मैं बैठ जाता हूँ. शिवजी लगा के बैठ गए आसन, एंड ही सेड गो do whatever you want. She decided to test राम जी. इसलिए कहते हैं ना, भगवान जी की कभी परीक्षा नहीं लेनी चाहिए. What is it that we have to do? आप भगवान जी से प्रार्थना कर सकते हैं. You have to pray to him, right? And you have to put in your own efforts. आप अपना पुरुषार्थ करिए और फिर आप इंतजार करिए, right? प्रतीक्षा करिए. ठाकुर जी की परीक्षा मत लीजिए. God, I'll believe in you if this happens for me. किसकी परीक्षा ले रहे हैं आप? So she said, I will test him. And what she did was she disguised as Ma Sita. And she went to Ramji. And she stood in front of Ramji and Lakshmanji. And at that very moment, Ramji smiled and said, माँ, अब शिवजी से इतना दूर क्या कर रही है? She was taken aback. And then what drisht did she see? She saw many universes, many planets, many Brahmands. She saw so many people, so many Shivs, so many Vishnus, so many Brahmas. She saw so many Devs, all different at different time, different places. Every Brahman had a different face. But what did she see? Ram, Lakshman and Sita. Everywhere, in every Brahman, in every time, in every universe, they remained the same. Everywhere she turned, all she could see was Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Ram, Lakshman, Sita, Ram, Lakshman, Sita. She almost could not take it anymore, and she sat down with her eyes closed. She realized her blunder. And when she opened her eyes, what did she see? That same drishya. Ram is crying. He's running from pillar to post, running from tree to tree, running from animal to animal, running and asking कि मेरी सीता कहाँ है? मेरी सीता कहाँ है? And what followed is a long story. When she came back, Shivji with his Divya Drishti knew what had happened, right? कि इन्हें तो अब I can't accept her. She has taken the form of Ma Sita. Now she's not in the form of my wife anymore. And later we know what happened to Sati. And later on, after Sati, in Daksha's Yagna, burnt herself. What is it? Gyan Agni mein jab wo jali. That Gyan arised in her. that Sati became Parvati, and now when she is asking Shivji to narrate about Sri Ram, she is not asking for the narration with a sense of doubt, but a desire to know. So now we have to understand, are we listening to the Katha with a desire to know, or a desire or without a desire and a doubt? Do we have a doubt? जहाँ doubt है, वहाँ कभी knowledge आ नहीं सकती. Very, very simple. If you doubt, there cannot be any knowledge that is going to flow down. Sati could not get any knowledge because there was a doubt when the sage was narrating, there was a doubt when Sri Hari showed himself, there was a doubt. Only when the doubt went away and the conviction came, that is when she was ready to gain this knowledge, and that is when Shivji started narrating. So over here he says, now he's saying, Are, Parvati, what do you think? Hanumanji was tied. कोई बांध सकता है क्या हनुमान को? She says, जा सुनाम जपी सुनहु भवानी. He's talking to Bhavani. जा सुनाम जपी सुनहु भवानी, भय बंधन काटे ही नर ज्ञानी. Just by chanting his name, the Lord's name, we are able to break the shackles of life and death. भवसागर है ना, हमें तो भवसागर पार करना है. हमें पता नहीं है कि हमें भवसागर पार करना है, पर हम सबको भवसागर ही पार करना है. We want to break the shackles of life and death, whether we like it or not, whether we know it or not. So he says, just by chanting whose name, you are able to cross the ocean of mundane existence. Can anybody tie his doot? Can anybody tie his devotee? तासु दूत की बांध तरु आवा, प्रभु कारज लगी कपि ही बंधावा. अरे भवानी, कोई हनुमान जी को बांध नहीं सकता. इनने अपने आप को बंधन में बांधा है. He has deliberately tied himself in the shackles. This is a very important point. The importance of this point is very simple. That when we look, we have a choice. We all have a choice. The sages or the great souls, the realized souls who descend to earth, they do it on purpose. They want to go down to elevate everybody. They are not bound. They are not compelled. They are not bound by the cycle of life and death. But till that happens, the difference between them and us is we are bound. We do not have a choice. We keep coming to the cycle of life and death till we are able to reach that Satchid Anand Swarup, till we are able to realize ourselves. But Hanumanji was not that. Hanumanji by choice got bound. He got bound because there is another beautiful analogy over here. Because he does not want liberation. बहुत सूखा होता है लिबरेशन. मोक्ष लेके मैं करूंगा क्या? जो आनंद हरि नाम कीर्तन करने में है, वो उनमें समा जाने में थोड़ी है. अगर मैं प्रभु से एक हो जाऊंगा तो फिर तो बचेगा ही क्या? तो हनुमान जी से नहीं, मुझे तो ये बंधन ही प्यारा है जहां पे मैं हरि नाम, हरि कीर्तन, हरि कथा सुन सकता हूं, हरि काम कर सकता हूं. ठाकुर जी, मुझे तुझसे एक होना ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ डिवोटी. That is a big difference between all the yogs and bhakti yoga. Because a bhakt does not even want Bhagwan. The bhakt does not even desire moksha. The bhakt does not even desire liberation. He is so immersed in the Lord's name. He says, Janam pe janam, janam pe janam. Thakur ji, all I want is that I do not forget you, and every birth, all I do is your work. All I chant is your name. All I sing about is your glories. जो सुख हरि कथा और हरि नाम लेने में है, वो तो सुख मोक्ष में भी नहीं है. सो भक्त को देखो, वो बोलता है नहीं, मैं तो तेरे नाम लेने से ही खुश हूं ठाकुर जी, तू मत आना. Why? Again he's saying, I don't want you to come in front of me. Because see, when there is a wait, when you really wait for something, there is a different kind of a feeling in your heart, right? When you really want something, there is a different kind of a feeling. What happens to that feeling when you get it? धीरे धीरे डिमिनिश हो जाती है ना. अच्छा चलो अब तो मिल गए. बोलते मुझे तू चाहिए ही नहीं, तू मिली मत मुझसे. Because I do not want that love and that urge and that longing to die. तुम मिल गए तो वो लॉन्गिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, मुझे नहीं चाहिए। जस्ट इमेजिन, एक भक्ति ऐसा कर सकता है, कोई ज्ञानी ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, कोई कर्मयोगी ऐसा नहीं कर सकता, कोई हठ योगी ऐसा नहीं कर सकता। भक्त बोल सकता है प्रभु तू देख मेरे सामने मत आना, देख मुझे मोक्ष नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तो तू भी नहीं चाहिए, जो रस तेरे नाम लेने में है वो मुझे और किसी में मिल ही नहीं सकता ठाकुर जी, मुझे तुझसे तू भी नहीं चाहिए। Desire less totally, because the desire for liberation is also a desire, remember. And that is why Shivji is telling Ma Parvati, who can tie him? ये तो अपने आप इस बंधन में बने हैं by choice. And why? Brahma Astra, if you go by the story, no Astra could try him. And what is Brahma Astra? It is the most powerful Astra because he is the creator, right? But Hanumanji is beyond the creation. When you are beyond Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, when you are in that Gunatit Avastha, can anything in the creation tie you? No. Look at it. Sundarkand में बहुत 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 आध्यात्मिक ज्ञान है. It is like the heart of all Granths. One verse can cover the entire Vedanta. And we have just done 2 verses so far. So let's go on. So he's laughing. And then suddenly he remembers, he killed my son. Vismriti ho gayi thi. And then suddenly he remembers. And he said, now tell me. He asked, Kahalankesh kavanate kisa. Who are you? Kehi ke bal dhalehi ban khisa. Whose power, with whose Shakti? Now look at Ravan, the way he is talking tells us he is a great jnani. First he says, Kaun ho tum? And with whose power? Now what a kind of a question, right? Kaun hu main? Main वानर हूं. किसकी शक्ति? मेरी शक्ति. नहीं, ये रावण है. तो रावण और हनुमान जी का संवाद, it cannot be an ordinary संवाद. He is asking that most important question. कोहम, जो हमें रोज हमारे से पूछना चाहिए. Who am I? Whose power do I work with? ये मेरी शक्ति तो नहीं हो सकती. किसकी शक्ति से मैं रोज उठता हूं? किसकी शक्ति से मैं रोज बैठता हूं? किसकी शक्ति से मैं खाता हूं? So look at the question, look at the level of the dialogue. कहा लंकेश कवंते कीसा. Who are you? केही के बल धालेही बन खीसा. And with whose power did you have the courage to destroy my Ashok Vatika? What is Ashok Vatika? What Ashok Vatika is an ordinary one? And where Hanumanji just decided to uproot trees. Ashok Vatika is not an ordinary garden. Ashok Vatika is the garden where we have all our vasanas and sanskars. All the imprints, इतने जन्मों की जो वासना है, जो संस्कार जिनसे हम झुके पड़े हैं, वो है. इसी के लिए माँ सीता सेठ, हनुमान गिरे हुए फल खाना, तोड़ के मत खाना तुम. So when he went there, he saw there is no fruit on the ground and I am so hungry and I want to eat. What do? He started uprooting the trees. What is uprooting? मतलब जड़ से निकाल देना. और जड़ से कौन निकाल सकता है? भक्ति निकाल सकती है. हरि नाम निकाल सकता है. किसको? हमारे संस्कारों और वासनाओं को. हमारे बस की बात नहीं है. उसके लिए हमें भक्ति चाहिए. So he is uprooting from the root. The desires are being uprooted from the root. Said roots के साथ निकालूंगा. So he said, who are you? Who had the courage to destroy this strong Ashok Vatika? It is not an ordinary question. कौन हो तुम? इतने सालों के संस्कार, इतने सालों की वासनाएं, उनका तुमने विध्वंस कर दिया. Oh, then the second question. This is the first 2 questions, okay? 2 parts. Then he says, Ki do Shravan sunahi nahi moha. Have you never heard about me? Now Ravan is saying, have you never heard about me? Dekhu ati asanka sattatoha. And he's saying, look at you. You have never heard about me? You're standing over there, you wretched person, without any fear, fearless. You're standing in front of me. Don't you know who I am? If you would have known, you would have been scared of me. Then third he says, Mareo nisichar kehi aparada. Why did you destroy my demons? Why did you hit the asurs? Why did you kill them? What was their fault? What was their fault? Kaho sattatohi na prana kahi badha. Why? Is not your life very important to you? Don't you know that because of what you have done, I can kill you? right this minute. So these questions that Ravan is asking are all the questions that we have to ask ourselves. को हम? Whose power? किससे डर रहे हैं हम? Who are we scared of? And before we go on to the answers, these are a few words that we have to remember, because now these words are going to be covered again and again in the next 2-3 chaupais and dohas. First, what is bandhan? When again and again they'll talk about bound and unbound. Are we bound or are we unbound? Again, we all must have heard the story. When an elephant is small, right? You shackle him up and he can't move, right? But when the elephant grows up, he's able to uproot the shackles also, right? He's able to break the chains also. But now he's so conditioned about the thought that I am bound, I cannot move, I cannot break the iron chains. So even by the sound of it, without being tied, he does not move because he thinks he's bound. And how are we bound? What is this bandhan that we are talking about? We are talking about life and death. हम थक गए हैं, जी रहे मर रहे, कितने ही बच्चे हुए, कितने ही पति हुए, कितने ही माँ बाप हुए, चले जा रहा है. We do not know that we are fatigued because we don't have the memory of the past. But we are fatigued. All we long for is to break the cycle of life and death and never to come back. Unless and until by choice, like Hanuman ji aaye, wo baat alag hai. Now, man. What is man? Man is me. I am the greatest. Mera मान. We are all right. मान. मेरा मान का हनन किया. अरे भाई, मान क्या है? That is मान. What is काम? Calm our desires, not only lust. We lust through our eyes, we lust through our ears, we lust. All our organs are very lusty in nature because we want to indulge. Calm. Krodh, anger. Lobh, greed. Moh. Moh is delusion. What is delusion? The simple thing is me and mine, you and yours. In Ramayana it comes, मैं अरु मोर तोर ते माया. जहां मैं मेरा और तू तेरा आ जाता है वो माया है. That is the delusion. वो है मोह. That is delusion. अहंकार, ego. उफ. मद, arrogance. मात्सर्य, jealousy. है ना? And what is this? ममकार. सबसे कुछ खराब है तो वो है ममकार. सब हम छोड़ सकते हैं, ममकार नहीं छूटता. What is ममकार? और हम बोलेंगे ममकार बुरा थोड़ी है. नहीं. ममकार is ममता. Mamata is attachment. The first thing that one person has to leave is mamakar. नहीं छूटता. सब छूट सकता है. We can stop being arrogant, we can stop being egoistic, we can stop being greedy, but we cannot stop being attached. And we should remember again and again, very important, there is a very great distinction between love and attachment. What we have, the relationship that we share with everybody around us, be it our child or be it our husband or be it our parents, is attachment. Why? Simple. Beautifully, the other day, Gauri was asking her father, she said, would you still love me if I were not your daughter? A 7-year-old. If that is not the case, that means you are attached to me, you don't love me. Because I am your daughter, that is why you love me. Had I been the same individual and would have been somebody else's daughter, would you have still loved me like that? No. So you are attached to me because I am related to you. मैं मेरा, तो तुम्हारा attachment है, प्यार नहीं है. तो प्यार किससे हो सकता है? सिर्फ प्रभु से. और जब प्रभु से प्यार होगा तो सबसे प्यार हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप में वही प्रभुता सब में दिखेगी. बाकी तो it's attachment. So mamakar is also a vice. Mamata is also a vice. And then Brahm. Brahm is an illusion. Everything around us is but an illusion. Why are these words? Because Hanumanji is going to use these words when he is talking to Ravan right now. Illusion. Everything that we see around us is a big illusion. कुछ सच्चाई नहीं है उसमें. लगता सच है. It is like the rope in the dark. When you look at the rope in the dark, it looks like a snake, isn't it? But when there is light of knowledge, you realize it was just a rope, it was not a snake. The other example that is normally given in Vedanta is the pole and the ghost. Andhere mein, a pole looks like a ghost, a cloth looks like a ghost. But when there is bright light of knowledge, the ignorance and the illusion goes away, and then you realize what is real and what is not. So over here he'll tell Ravan, भ्रम छोड़ो, फिर तुम्हें सत्य समझ आएगा. मत छोड़ो, फिर तुम्हें सत्य समझ आएगा. अहंकार छोड़ो, फिर तुम्हें सत्य समझ आएगा. He will keep repeating. And then he says one more very important thing, Abhiman. What is Abhiman? It is something like ego and arrogance, but it is a little different, that pride that we have. अभिमानी मनुष्य. स्वाभिमान और अभिमान में बहुत फर्क है. We should not think that it is the same thing. Self-respect is a different thing and abhiman is a different thing. But what happens is we don't realize when the self-respect converts into pride. स्वाभिमान अभिमान कब बन जाता है हमें समझ ही नहीं आता और वहीं हम उलझ जाते हैं. So over here, these are the words he is going to use very, very clearly. So this background we have to have. So now he starts answering. He says, Sunahu Ravan Brahmanda Nikaya. So now he is answering the first question. Okay, what is the first question? Who are you? And with whose power did you gather the courage to destroy the Ashok Vatika and kill my Asurs? He says, Sunahu Ravan Brahmanda Nikaya. Pai jasu bal birachit maya. What is he saying? Listen, jaake bal biranchi haris isha. Palat sarajat harat das shisha. He's saying, listen, Ravan, whose power am I here standing fearlessly like this in front of you is that who has made this entire Brahmand, this entire creation. हम इस creation को ही नहीं समझ पाएंगे कभी. तो उस ठाकुर जी को समझना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. This entire creation, the maker of this entire creation, and because of which this Maya is flourishing. मायापति की माया है ना, इसी के लिए तो बहुत सुंदर है, इसी के लिए तो we get trapped. But ठीक है. So he's saying that divine, that one who has created this entire universe, multiverse, there are many thousands of universes. लाखों करोड़ों में है, अनगिनत है. What are we? Nothing but a speck of dust. हमारी earth is also nothing and we are just nothing. हम अगर हिले ना तो किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा. But this ego of ours, मैं हूँ, तुम नहीं हो. Like one guru said, right? Probably, when you're walking and your sari just moves a little, do you even realize it? Many a times you don't even notice that the sari has been blown by the wind. That is what you are. Immaterial. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But till you do not realize the true nature, you are immaterial. Remember that. There is a thin line over there also. So he says, that one who created everything, Jaake bal biranchi hari isa, with whose power Shiv, Vishnu and Mahesh, they destroy, they create and they protect. Vishnu ji protect करते हैं, Shiv ji destroy करते हैं, Brahma ji is the creator, right? इन तीनों को जिससे शक्ति मिलती है, राइट? जा बल शीस धरत सह सानन अंडकोश समेत गिरी कानन. And on whose head, by whose power, this great Sheshnag is holding your entire earth, right? This entire earth is on Sheshnag's. It's a speck on Sheshnag's head. हमारा अस्तित्व है क्या? कुछ भी नहीं. धरई जो विविध देह सुर त्राता. Now he says, and because, है ना, तुमसे सटन सिखावनु दाता, just to teach lessons to wretched people like you, he takes many multiple forms, he takes many multiple avatars, he takes many multiple bodies. Har ko dand. Now that is the description. Now very beautifully look at this. First part of the description is निराकार description. उस ब्रह्म का description किया है. There is निराकार भक्ति and there is साकार भक्ति. निराकार भक्ति और साकार भक्ति में कोई अंतर नहीं है. One is not superior to the other and one is not inferior to the other. He is talking about Nirakar and Sakar in the same breath. आपको जिसमें रुचि आए वो करिए ना, किसने रोका है? Then he describes in the next two verses, I'll quickly say, he describes that same Sri Ram who had gone to the Swambar and he broke Shiv Dhanush like it was but a twig. And you and many other kings were in that sabha, you could not even move it a bit. That Sri Ram I am talking about, that is the one who I am mentioning, that is the one with his power, I am here. And then he says, Jaake bal lavleshte, jeete hiu charachar jhari, with whose little power, very an iota. Just imagine Ravan, we have just described Ravan for this reason. All the planets, all the gods, all the deities, all the Srishti is there at his feet. And he's saying, Hanumanji is saying, with whose little power, an iota of his power, with an iota of his power, you have been able to win this entire creation, right, Ravan? Tasu doot mein ja kari, harehu anehu priya nari. I am his doot, I am his ambassador, I am his devotee, with whose power with his little power, you were able to win everything. Just imagine how great he is. So look at how beautifully, see these scriptures, my objective is not to take them to the corporate level or to explain strategies with it or to tell you about how corporates can use it or how governments can use it or how it can be used in politics. But this very verse tells us everything. How to deal with other people. But over here, beautifully he described first the Lord and then he said, I am his devotee. And what happens to us when we are asked, who are you? Whose power do you operate with? We start, right? Tuck, 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 tuck. मैं ये, मैं वो, मैं ऐसा, मैं वैसा, मेरा ये, मैंने ये accomplish करा, मैं वहां का था, मैं यहाँ का था. अरे तुम कौन? सीखिए हनुमान जी से. The greatness of his description. And he's describing that divine. And then this question might come. A lot of questions should come to your mind here. I won't point out those questions right now. But he says so many things which might want you to think कि ये क्या बोल गए हैं? ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश इनके सामने नहीं खड़े रह सकते. ये क्या बोल रहे हैं हनुमान? सोचिए. Maybe it is for us to think and delve deeper. And then he says, Janu मैं तुम्हारी प्रभुताई. Now the second question, don't you know who I am? Aren't you afraid of me? So now Hanumanji is very, very sweet. He knows his Sabha is there. Ravan is between his people. So he does not want to insult Ravan in front of everybody. That is not the objective. He is a Shanti Doot. He has come to find out Ma Sita. He has not come to fight. So he asks, Janu मैं तुम्हारी प्रभुताई, सहस भाव सन परी लड़ाई. He said, I know how strong you are, Ravan. He's not saying anything else. He's saying, I remember you had a fight with Sahasrabhahu, right? And yes, you also had a fight with Bali, isn't it? Very subtly he's mentioning these two people. And he does not go a step ahead. We should know how to talk, how much to talk, and when to stop. He just said this, and Ravan understood, he understood. Because when Ravan got defeated by Sahasrabhahu was very, very powerful, and he had blocked the entire water from going, and Ravan over there was doing Shivji ki tapasya. And suddenly he removed his arms and the water flooded where he was doing his prayer. So Ravan got very agitated and he came to fight with Sahasrabhahu. And what was it? Sahasrabhahu was very powerful. With all his 100 arms, 100,000 arms, he gathered him. He put him in where he used to keep his horses. And he was kept there for many, many months, and children would come and kick him. That was Sahasrabhahu. And later on, because of Muni Pulastya, when he came and said, Chhod do mere bete ko, he was released. So Hanumanji did not go to the detail. Because it is not to humiliate Ravan that he's saying. He's just telling Ravan, I know what your strength is. Let's keep it there. And then he says, Bali, when Bali, not Raja Bali, Bali, Sugriv ke bhai, when he was doing his tapasya, what happened? Ravan came and Bali took Hanumanji in his armpit like this And he finished his Sandhya Puja, he finished all his puja, and it is said that he took rounds, he kept on doing his puja, I think, if I'm not mistaken, for many, many months, and he did not release Ravan. That was the strength of Bali. So he's saying, listen, very beautifully, ki you were defeated by Bali, you were defeated by Sahasrabhu. I am not going to mention the detail. I do not want to humiliate you in front of your own people. That is not my objective. मैं तो शांति दूँ तू. बट उससे पहले ही सेट खरदूषण त्रिसरा अरुबाली, उनको भी श्री राम ने मारा है. बिफोर he said खरदूषण त्रिसरा, खरदूषण and त्रिसरा, they were as powerful as Ravan, if not more. And Shri Ram single-handedly destroyed them. And he said Bali is also not more. So now assess. Now he's quietly telling him, do you know what you're getting into? Do you know whom you are picking a fight with? The people, Sahasrabhu and Bali, you could not stand in front of. And Bali and Sahasrabhu and all these people can be destroyed by Sri Ram single-handedly. I am his Doot. And then he says, Sabke deh, and again he says very simply, I was hungry. The second question, mare nischar kehi apradha. He says, see, I was very hungry. I am a vanar. I looked at the fruits and I wanted to eat. मेरा सीधा सा स्वभाव है. I jump from branch to branch. And if your Ashok Vatika was so big that by my jumping from branch to branch, your trees broke, what is my problem? And I did not hit them first. It was not the first move that I made. They came and they were beating me. So I hit them in return. इसमें मेरी क्या गलती बताओ रावण? मेरे को भी तो मेरी जान प्यारी है ना. कितने सीधे सीधे से बात कर रहे हैं कि मेरे को भी मेरी जान प्यारी है. I just wanted to save myself. So I retaliated and I hit them back. That is the answer to the third question. And then he says, मोहि न कुछ बांधे कई लाजा, किन चाहूं निज प्रभु कर काजा. And he tells Ravan subtly, I know you people think you have tied me, and I have no problem that you think that I am tied, I am bound. It is okay. My entire objective to come here was to do Sri Hari's work. To do his, कहते हैं ना, राम काम कीने बिनु मोहे कहाँ विश्राम. तुम्हें मेरे पे हंसना है तो हंस लो, तुम्हें मेरी मजाक उड़ानी है तो उड़ा लो, जो बोलना है बोल लो. कहते हैं ना, फकीर कहता है ना कि सबकी सुन लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. डोंट फॉरगेट, तुम्हारा काम है राम का नाम बांटना, तुम तो बांटो. So he's saying, I don't mind if you're laughing at me and thinking that I am bound. If this serves my purpose of sending Ram's message to you, I don't mind anybody laughing at me. क्योंकि मेरा काम है हरि का नाम तुम्हारे पास पहुंचाना. कहते हैं ना, राम नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिखराऊं गली गली, कृष्ण नाम के हीरे मोती मैं बिखराऊं गली गली, ले लो रे कोई नाम का प्याला शोर मचाऊं गली गली, ले लो रे कोई शाम का प्यारा शोर मचाऊं गली गली. इससे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यू नो, डू से वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू से रावण. मेरा काम है हरि का नाम लेना, हरि का काम करना, मैं वो करता रहूंगा. Such a deep message he is sending to all his devotees. Don't stop. This journey will bring you a lot of ridicule. This journey will bring you a lot of hardships. This journey will really, really, really cause a lot of problem. कहते हैं ना, ये आग का दरिया है और डूब के जाना है, पर तुम रुकना मत, क्योंकि मेरा काम हरि का नाम पहुंचाना है. And that is why I've come to you, Ravan. I was willing to be tied so that I could come and give you the message of Sri Ramji and share his name with you. And Binnati, again, अब वो झुक गए हैं. Just imagine, मतलब हनुमान जी, now he is joining his hands in front of Ravan, not because of fear, because we have made it very clear. There is no fear, there is no hatred. There is only karuna and compassion. संतों को हमारे ऊपर बहुत compassion होता है. They don't need to go around house to house telling कि भाई राम की तरफ देखो तो मुड़ जाओ, अपना जीवन सार्थक कर लो, मनुष्य शरीर फिर नहीं मिलेगा. आदि गई थोड़ी बची, अब तो मोह छोड़ो. नहीं छोड़ रहे, तो वो हाथ जोड़ के खड़े हो गए रावण के सामने. हनुमान जी, what does he say? बिनती करूं जोरी कर रावण, मैं बिनती कर रहा हूं रावण। कितना प्यार, कितना कंपैशन, हेट्रेड कहाँ है उनके पास में। ही रियलाइजेस रावण डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. He wants to liberate Ravan also. He's joining his hands, bent over. बिनती करो जोरी कर रावण, सुनो मान तजी मोर सिखावन. तुम अपना मान तज दो, मैं जो बोल रहा हूं सुन लो रावण. मैं जो छोटी सी बात तुम्हें सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, तुम सुन लो, तुम्हारा ही भला होगा. प्लीज लिसन टू दिस. प्लीज रिमूव योर ईगो, रिमूव योर अहंकार. जस्ट लिसन टू मी. एंड ही इज बेंट ओवर इन फ्रंट ऑफ रावण. हनुमान जी, वो हनुमान इतना झुक जाते हैं, हम कुछ ना होके भी झुकने में क्यों कतराते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द ट्री विच इज एबल टू बेंड इन द स्टॉर्म स्टैंड्स, बट द ट्री विच इज नॉट एबल टू बेंड is taken away by the storms. It is uprooted. It is there in nature. We can learn from the nature also. देखो तुम निज कुल ही विचारो. Now he's saying, तुम अपने कुल का तो विचार करो. Lineage is very important. We feel that what I am doing today is only going to impact me or my immediate children. No. कहते हैं ना कि अगर एक संत एक परिवार में हो जाता है, उसकी 21 पीढ़ियां मोक्ष को प्राप्त कर लेती है. जस्ट इमेजिन 21 generations before, 21 generations ahead. Moksha is guaranteed. Nobody can take away liberation from them if there is one saint in that house. But we take away our children from sainthood and we throw them into the material world. Condition them so much कि यही सत्य है. राम नाम तो तुम बाद में ले लेना, वो तो जब बाल सफेद हो तब लेना. अरे क्या कर रहे हैं हम. वो और हनुमान जी इज फीलिंग सो सैड. ही से देखो तुम निज कुल विचारो. Think about your lineage, 21 generations ahead and 21 generations before. You can liberate them just by turning towards Shri Ram. खुद ही का भला नहीं करोगे, तुम सबका भला कर दोगे, अपने पूरे कुल का भला कर दोगे. बट आजकल तो हम कहते हैं हमें राम थोड़ी बनाना है उसको. अरे मत जा वहां पे, संत बन जाएगा. क्यों संत बनना गलत बात है क्या? एंड व्हाट इज ही सेइंग? ब्रह्म तजी भजहु भगत भयहारी. लीव दिस डिल्यूजन, लीव दिस इल्यूजन. भ्रम है ये, भ्रम छोड़ो इसको. हे रावण, हरि का नाम लो, उसका भजन करो, उसके तरफ तुम मुड़ जाओ. नॉट ओनली विल यू बी लिबरेटेड व्हेन यू टर्न टुवर्ड्स द लॉर्ड, योर एंटायर कुल, the present, the future, the after will all get moksha just by your deed. And always remember, we are a sum total of our past. जो पूर्व, the lineage does not work like it finishes with me. Whatever sanskars, whatever karma I have accumulated also, it is passed on. So we have to be very thoughtful when we are acting, because by our wrong action, we are corrupting the next generation. And they will have to bear the brunt of what we have done. That is why when we talk about karmic philosophies, we say it is very complicated. Don't go there. Because who is being affected by what you do is something very complex. So I am being affected by the karmas of my ancestors. And what I am doing today will affect my descendants also. It is scary. Then when you have this thought in your mind, won't you be more mindful in your actions, more responsible? That my mistakes, my children might get the punishment for my mistakes. It is very, very complex. So, jaake dar ati kaal daraye. And he's saying, listen, even this kaal, time, कहते हैं ना समय चक्र, काल चक्र भी उनसे डरता है. जो सुर असुर चराचर खाए. He eats all the sur asur, सबको वो खा जाते हैं. वो काल उनसे डरता है. Now he's describing the power of that Lord, the mighty Lord. तासो बैर कभी नहीं कीजे, मोरी कहे जानकी दीजे. उनसे तुम बैर कभी मत करो. Please, Ravan, turn towards the Lord. You do not know his power. So just imagine, he's telling him the positive and the negative, is begging. Hanumanji is begging Ravan to turn towards the Lord. Why? उसमें हनुमान जी का भला है क्या? नहीं, भला तो रावण का ही है ना. बोले मोरी मानो जानकी दीजे. व्हाट इज दिस जानकी? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं जानकी कौन है, रामायण में ऐसे ही कुछ नहीं लिखा जाता. हु इज जानकी? वी माइट ओवरशूट अ लिटिल बिट, आई एम सो सॉरी. हु इज जानकी? जानकी को अगर हम सोचने जाए ना, वो प्रिय है राम की, राइट? अगर राम परमात्मा है तो जानकी आत्मा है. और what has Ravan taken away from Ram? He has taken away that beautiful, glowing Janaki. What is Ravan? All that vikars that I talked of, Ravan ही तो है. And that me, that divine self, has been stolen away from the Lord. Isn't it? Now look at us, na? This Lord, the Lord created the world. Why did the creation happen? We all know the creation happened because he wanted to feel loved. He was alone, अकेले थे, कुछ भी नहीं था. उनको लगा कि मुझे ना प्यार चाहिए, तो उनने सृष्टि की रचना की और इस सृष्टि ने उन्हीं को भुला दिया. We got so caught up in mamakar, in our attachments, in all the distractions, that the first thing that we forgot is the Creator himself. The first thing that we left is God himself. And the only reason why we turn towards him is because we want something from him. And who is coming and begging Ravan to release Ma Sita, Ma Janaki? It's Bhakti. Just chhod do. Ravan, all the vices, the clouds, the dark clouds that are covering our glorious self can be taken away with the help of Bhakti, who is Sri Hanuman. And then he says, Pranatapal Raghunayak Karuna Sindhu Kharari Gaye Saran Prabhu Rakhiye Tav Aparad Bisari. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. If we realize this, all our struggles will get over. He says, Pranatapal Raghunayak. He is the protector. He is the ocean of mercy. Karuna Sindhu Kharari. Turn towards him. He is full of compassion. Karuna beh rahi hai. Not one negative point, not one galati, not one aparadh will he remember if you just turn towards him. Just surrender to him once. All your aparadh will be removed. That is why our sages many a times say, 1 second लगता है मोक्ष मिल सकता है. And this shackles, this karmic philosophy that we so often talk about and so often brought to us, it is because we do not understand in any other way. But simply Hanumanji is saying that giant karma philosophy, the giant karma that is binding you, 1 second it will take. The minute you turn towards the Lord, the minute you surrender, आपके सारे प्रारब्ध कर्म नष्ट हो जाएंगे. Nothing will be left. It takes a minute for all your previous sanskars, vasanas, all your errors, we have to remove all the good deeds also, right? Sattva, Rajas and Tamas pura hi hatana hai. Just turn towards the Lord. And all your follies will be forgotten. Isi shan abhi मोक्ष मिल जाएगा. It's so simple, isn't it? कितना सरल रास्ता है. Surrender. Turn towards him. Everything will be forgotten. Everything will be a white slate for you. You would not have to haggle and struggle. कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा. तो मुड़ के तो देखो. Ravan, he is bending over, begging Ravan to turn towards the Lord. Bending over for Ravan to turn towards the Lord. राम चरण पंकज उर धरहु लंका अचल राज तुम करहु. And you don't have to leave anything. We have this wrong notion in our minds, unfortunately, because of, let's not go there. We have this wrong notions that once we turn towards the Lord, हमें संसार छोड़ना पड़ जाएगा. किसने बोला? कह रहे हैं राम चरण पंकज उर धरहु लंका अचल राज तुम करहु. You don't have to leave anything. You don't have to leave any of your relations. You do not have to leave your house. जंगल बचे ही कहाँ है, जाओगे कहाँ? कुछ नहीं छोड़ना है. You will be here, you will be doing exactly what you are doing right now, but trust me, he's saying, you'll be a better you. You'll be a better mother, you'll be a better wife, you'll be a better daughter. ये सारे विकार एक साथ नष्ट हो जाएंगे. Why will you be a better you? Because when you turn towards the Lord, when you totally surrender, when your heart is purified and Ravan releases the Janki, you realize that what I am is him. That divinity is in him, that divinity is in me. Tattvamasi aham brahmasmi, wo bhi tattvamasi aham brahmasmi. You start loving every individual for their divinity, not for the relationship that they share with you. कुछ नहीं करना है. You will remain a mother, you'll remain a daughter, you'll remain a wife, you'll keep doing what you are doing. But there won't be any bondage, because when you are serving your husband, you will think that you are serving that divine. When you are taking care of your children, that bhav will be there, that bhavna will be there कि मैं मेरे भगवान को खाना खिला रही हूँ. सब में आपको प्रभु दिखने लगेंगे. So he's saying, एक बार you'd have Lord in your heart and then you revel in the world. Nobody is taking Lanka away from you, Ravan. We are not wanting to take Lanka away from you. तुम लंका पे ही राज करोगे, तुम जो कर रहे हो वही करोगे. Nothing will change. तुम्हारा दृष्टिकोण बदल जाएगा. The way you look at the world, it will be so beautiful, so amazing. There will be love everywhere. कहते ना, छूकर मेरे दिल को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे दिल को किया तूने क्या इशारा. And he's saying, you are Rishi Pulastya's son. By your actions, you are going to actually demean your father's name also. Don't do this, Ravan. मत करो. Now Hanuman ji is begging. ऐसा कौन होगा जो इतनी करुणा, there's so much of compassion towards Ravan. He's joining his hands, he's standing there, he's begging Ravan to turn towards the Lord. There is no selfish gain over here. And then quickly we'll finish these analogies, and he's saying, I won't read it out. He's saying first, he said, just imagine, Ravan, what is the use of words where there is no Ram Naam in it? बाकी सब झिकाल है. Any conversation, any discussion, any talk where there is no discussion of the Lord's name and the Lord's charitra is useless. It's meaningless. Then he says, have you ever, just think about it, a woman who is decked from top to bottom with jewelry but is not wearing any clothes, how will she look? That is how is your life without Ram's Naam in it. Then he says, look, imagine that river. If the river is not connected to a source, when the rains go away, the river will dry, isn't it? Connect yourself to the source. He is the source. Without that source, eventually when this rain of good time goes away, you will dry up. कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं तुम्हारे में. कहते ना, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. ऐसा नहीं है कि कठिन परिस्थिति नहीं आएगी. A devotee is tested the most. A devotee faces the maximum problems. But that is a situation. It is my choice whether I want to get upset because of a situation or not. तो सुख में अगर मैं सुमिरन करूंगी तो दुखी अवस्था में, when the situation is totally against me, when everything around me is falling, I will still be peaceful and blissful. There won't be any agony or sorrow. And then he says, just imagine the money. What is the use of your money? You know, the money will come and it will go. And again it will come and it will be as good as gone if there is no Hari in it. जहाँ हरि नहीं है वहाँ लक्ष्मी नहीं टिकती. हमेशा याद रखना. जहाँ हरि नाम नहीं वहाँ लक्ष्मी नहीं है. This beautiful story of Raja Bali from Bhagavad. Lakshmi ji, when Raja Bali was put into the Patal Lok, and Shri Hari felt so bad that, he was a just king and I have put him down. He became the doorkeeper in Patal Lok. So he did not go to Vaikuntha Dham. And Mahalakshmi was sitting at Vaikunth Dham. She said, Hari यहाँ नहीं है तो मैं यहाँ क्या करूँगी? She left Vaikunth Dham and she went to Patal Lok. जहाँ हरि नाम नहीं, जहाँ हरि कथा नहीं, जहाँ हरि चिंतन नहीं, लक्ष्मी आएगी पर टिकेगी नहीं. Lakshmi will not stay. Money cannot stay in the hand of a miser. The more you give, the more you will have. The more you chant, the more the Lord will give you, because He'll know that you will use it for the betterment of society. Otherwise, क्या आपके यहाँ पे लक्ष्मी का काम? और सुनो हो दसकंठ, कहूँ उपन्न रोपा, विमुख राम त्राता नहीं कोपा. I am taking an oath. I am telling you with my experience, there is nobody who is more unfortunate than a person who, having the opportunity, having the human birth, having everything in his favor, still does not turn towards the Lord and does not fully surrender. मनुष्य जीवन व्यर्थ गवाया, व्यर्थ गवाया. शंकर सहस विष्णु अजतो ही, सके ही ना राखी राम कर द्रोही. In thousands and thousands, Shankar, Vishnu and Mahesh, Vishnu, Mahesh, Brahma, in thousands cannot save a person who turns away from that divine Lord. That Shri Hari, that Brahma. इसमें राम को ब्रह्म रूप में देखा जा रहा है. Vishnu, Mahesh and Brahm, thousands of them cannot save you. मोह मूल बहुसूल प्रद, त्यागो तुम अभिमान, भजहु राम रघुनायक, कृपा सिंधु भगवान. मोह मूल बहुसूल प्रद, सबसे बड़ा जो हमारा शत्रु है ना, द बिगेस्ट एनिमी ऑफ आवर्स इज मोह, delusion. We are looking at the world, we are totally deluded. हमारी दृष्टि वहां है जहां होनी नहीं चाहिए. Leave this delusion, leave this illusion. It is the biggest core. And leave all your ego, leave your pride, leave your abhiman. मैं हूं, तुम कौन हो? सब छोड़ो and just भजो राम रघुनायक, कृपा सिंधु भगवान. सब छोड़ के सिर्फ हरि का नाम, just pray to that divine Lord who's compassionate, who's an ocean of mercy. कृपा सिंधु भगवान, he's an ocean of mercy. Turn to him, or Ravan, turn to him. I am begging you, I am begging you. Imagine Hanumanji. Imagine Hanumanji standing with his hands bent, pleading and begging Ravan to turn towards the Lord. I feel he's standing in front of us right now, joint palms, bent over, begging us, because he loves us. He's telling us, what, kahan uljhe hue ho? Why are you so misled by everything? Hanumanji, because he loves us so much, he's saying, please, turn towards the Lord. Just turn towards the Lord. I beg you, I beg you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. Any doubts, any questions, any thoughts that anybody would like to share? Ji Urvashi. Hari Om Urvashi ji. Very
really beautiful. I felt transported.
Just
Thank
imagine.
you.
Hanumanji and his Karuda, isn't it? These divine souls.
Or bhakti also
Nahi, Hari,
comes across.
Hari Bhakti.
Thank you.
Hari Bhakti. Any other questions? Srinivas Raj Gopalan. Who is that? Nothing? Ashwini ji? Mummy? Anything? No? Then let's close the class then. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, वासुदेवाय वासुदेवाय। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। जय बोलो हनुमान की। बोलो बजरंग बली की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।